Yo guys, it's TNN, and into this video we're going to check out the Holafly travel eSIM, and it is one of the coolest travel eSIMs out there. So here we have the Holafly app. So yep, this video was brought to you by Holafly, and we're going to go ahead and check it out. We're going to review it, we're going to see if it's actually any good, and how well it's been working for me. Throughout next year I'm going to be traveling a lot, so hopefully I will be doing a bunch of videos on all my travels using the Holafly eSIMs, and see how well they work in all these various different countries and continents. But of course here we're in the UK, and we're going to see how well it works in the UK. So far I have been using it for about a week, and I have to say it's actually really good, and I haven't had any issues with it at all. Connectivity has always been there. There's been no issues really, and the one slight issue I had, I literally just went on the live chat and spoke to them, and I was back and running in about 5 minutes, and it was all because of settings on my phone. It wasn't even Holafly that was the issue. It was a setting that was on my phone, and Holafly managed to get the information, get what phone model I had, which is a Xiaomi, and they even managed to go through step by step on what I can do to change the settings and fix the issue that I was having, which was amazing service, and it was so instant and so quick. So first things first is we have a look at the products. So you can either go on the Holafly website, or you can go and download the app and see what they do, what countries they cover, and well, what amazing offers that they have. So if you're interested in purchasing a Holafly eSIM, you can get up to 5% off right now. Using code TNN. I'll put the link down below in the description. I'll put all the coupon codes down below in the description as well. And if I have any other offers or any other deals on Holafly, I'll put them all in the description down below as well. So let's go through and see all the different countries options that you have. So you can do a global plan, USA plan, Europe, Turkey, Japan, Mexico, Indonesia, Canada, Egypt, Morocco, Italy, China, Hong Kong, and Macau. So there's so many different countries that you could do. So these are the popular ones. So if I go on countries, I'm just going to scroll through because there's so many here, but you guys can see different ones, and then you get an idea of if a country that you're traveling to is covered as well. There you go. And you've also got regional plans. So you've got Asia, Latin America, North America, Europe, Caribbean, global, Middle East, Africa, China, Hong Kong, Macau, Oceania, and the Balkans. So there are so many different SIM cards and different countries that this could work in. So for example, if let's say we're going USA, go ahead and click on it, you get unlimited data. So all the plans come with unlimited data, which is what makes it so easy and convenient. No worries. You don't ever have to worry about running out of data when you're abroad. You do get up to 5G speed and no shared data as well. So you can choose your number of days and how many eSIMs that you'd like, and then you could install your eSIM just before your trip, so you can buy your SIM card and then start it before or during your holiday, so you don't have to immediately start it. So with the USA, 1 day for one eSIM is £3.79, and that gives you unlimited data, which is unreal. And data is all you really need. So you can click on the pick your plan date, and you can choose, let's say, from today till next week. So that's a 1 week plan. It will then add all the number of days that you need to add, like so. And it's gone up to £25. So for 8 days, it's £25 for me to go USA and not worry about my data. Super easy, super simple. So once you have found the SIM card that you like and that you need for your travels, you can go ahead and purchase it, which is really simple and easy to do. And then you'll receive an email, and you'll also see your eSIM on your device over here. So I've currently got the Europe plan for 14 days and unlimited data, and I can go ahead and click on install and activate, and it will go through all the details here with me. So you can do QR code, so you can install it automatically. All you got to do is scan the QR code in your email, so you'll get an email which shows a QR code, and I'll show you an example, and all you got to do is scan or that. You could install it manually using your SMDP Plus address and activation code. Obviously mine's already been activated, so it's already working on my SIM card. Now I have to say the app is also super easy and super simple to use. You've got your SIM card section over here, you've got your plans, you've got your eSIMs, you've got the travel club, and then you've got your profile where you can have your personal information, all your receipts, your payment methods, language, currencies, and terms, conditions, or anything like that. And then just on the top, you can have a live chat. So if you have any issues with your eSIM, just go ahead, click on the live chat, and they'll help you immediately. And the service that they offer is absolutely amazing. And I can actually vouch for that because I used it when I had issues with setting it up on my phone, and I found out that the settings on my phone were wrong. And Holafly was so helpful, so polite, and they just got through it, and I was literally fixed in like 5 minutes. Holafly also have a travel club section where you could earn Holocoins and redeem Holocoins for future eSIMs, and you can also refer your friends. Every time you refer a friend to Holafly, you get €5 Holocoins for each friend that makes a purchase, and they also enjoy a 5% discount. So definitely check that out as well as when you're purchasing the SIM card, you can use my discounts down below as well. So I've carried out a speed test with the internet speeds, and you can see Holafly on the Xiaomi phone is using the Orange network, which is also EE. EE is known as the UK's best network. And to be fair, considering that in my area, EE is actually the network that doesn't have a lot of signal. So you can see here it's on 1 bar compared to where on the iPhone over here we're using Vodafone, an actual physical SIM card, and we're getting a full bar signal here, 5G. Whereas this is 4G plus currently because EE just in my area isn't that great. But even then, we are still getting a download speed of 65.56 megabits per second when compared to Vodafone's 63.89. So for some amazing reason, it's actually, even with 4G and 1 bar compared to 5G and full bar, we are still getting faster internet speeds with the Holafly eSIMs. So to give them the benefit of the doubt, yes, the signal bar is low, but that's because they chose the best network in the country. Unfortunately, that network in my area isn't the best signal. But what I will do is I will also do a speed test of the signal for a known area for good EE signal, and we'll see what kind of speeds we get there as well. But for in my house, really, really good speeds, as you can see. And that's one thing about Holafly, you can trust that no matter what country you're traveling to, they're going to try and choose the best network eSIM that's out there for that country. So we are currently outdoors, and on the left here I have the Holafly eSIM, which is on Orange network, which is the EE network. And on the right here I've got my iPhone 15, which is with Vodafone normal SIM card. The left phone is the Xiaomi 15T Pro, and I'm outside currently in a location known for having very good EE signal. So I've currently got full bar on the Holafly and 2 bars on the Vodafone. You can see the massive difference here with the speed. The Holafly has completely obliterated the Vodafone SIM card. So there you go, that is the Holafly eSIM, and I have to say it's a very, very good eSIM with over 200 plus destinations, 15 plus regional eSIMs, and 1 global eSIM. You can not worry with anything when you're traveling with Holafly. There's no hidden costs, and Holafly offer that peace of mind when you're traveling that you will get your unlimited data and also 24/7 real person support. So if you're even traveling to China, the eSIM comes with a built-in VPN. That way you can access Google, WhatsApp, and other websites. So it's amazing security with it as well. Definitely check it out. Grab a Holafly eSIM for your next trip using my code TNN and get up to 5% off. And if I have any other coupon code and discount, I'll put that down in the description. And I have to say, Holafly, 10 out of 10. A very, very good eSIM, and it's super easy to use and super easy to set up.